Hey guys, so I'm in Florida right now with my mother and my brother, and we are in Walgreens, I think. No, we're in Winn-Dixie, and she picking up her medicine, and we about to go car shopping. So I'm gonna take y'all on that adventure with me to go car shopping. Might find me a little car today, might not, who knows, but we gonna go shopping. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a vlog today, a little vlog since I haven't done a vlog yet. All I'll be doing is pranks and story time. So I'm gonna do a vlog, take y'all around with me, show you what I'll be doing. Period. Oh, that's Central.
Oh, that little Cadillac is cute. That's the kind of, that's what.
Oh, that is nice. That's cute for you, Shovin.
That's what Sandy got.
It's a Sentra right here. So yeah, this one is a Hyundai. I'm vlogging. Wanna say hi? This one right here is a punch buggy. It's actually big in here, but you know, I don't want no punch buggy. Like, what I look like riding in this? Then they got this right here that I really like, but this is kind of like too big for me. Like, where am I driving this to? But yeah, no, they don't really got none. This was the Cadillac my brother was looking at. Then they did have a they had a Hyundai over here. This Hyundai Sonata right here. I really like this, but it has 135 miles on it. But it's mad nice in here. Like, look at that. Alright, so the first stop, I don't really like nothing but my brother. He's looking right now. He might get some, but I don't think so, because this man, he don't have nothing here. Like, it's trash. Nothing. Barely. But like, this Cadillac right over here, my brother was looking at, is nice, but they want $85,000 for that shit. Who's paying $85,000 for this? Not I. Alright guys, so today is day 2.
Yeah, get that in the camera. She's still trying to take a picture of girls, huh?
And I am on the auto train on my way back to New York. Well, actually Virginia, because that's where it stops at. But I will be driving from Virginia to New York in my new car. But yeah, I'm on an auto train right now. Like, this shit is lit. Period. But the auto train is basically a train that you can put your car on and it get attached to the train, and then you ride with your car basically. And the cars is on those over there. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm still on the train and it's probably about 10:30. We still didn't reach, well, we're about 10 minutes away, but been on train for like 17 hours now, because we left at like 4:45 going on 5, and it's 10:30 now. So yeah, but we almost there. I'm gonna vlog when I get off and show you guys the whole process on how they take the cars off the train, call you by your number and stuff like that to receive your vehicle. And yeah, that's really about it. So I'll be back. Alright, so I just got off the train. Shit, no NBA, no vibe, no vibe. On the train, man. It's brick out here too. No cap, no cap. It's brick. It's this shit right here though. Train one.
Yeah, this is the inside of your NBA. This is how this looks right here. So now you just gotta sit and wait for your car basically.
So yeah, so now I just gotta wait for my car. Outside, there's mad people out here, you know. Feel like a real YouTuber right now. Oops, sorry. Excuse me. I'ma come wait over here where there's nobody at. You know the vibe. All these people. All these. I'm gonna be waiting out here for so freaking long, but I'm gonna just show y'all some footage because I'm about to go back inside. But this is the outside of it. That's where your cars come off. That's where you be on the train at. That's where you come off. This is priority cars. Period.